Hello everyone, this is Gary Bennett at XLME. Welcome to the first class on the YouTube and live webinar series on using Swift and getting started with Swift. This first class we're going to go through, learn how to download the Swift and Xcode development environment, both Apple's development environment called Xcode, as well as IBM's Playground. So if you don't have a Mac that you can run Xcode on, you can at least use Playgrounds to learn, IBM's Sandbox or Playgrounds, which is free and web-based to download it. So we're going to go through how to do that today, and then class number 2, we're also going to go through how to write Swift code both on Xcode and on IBM's Sandbox. So let's get started. So first of all, if you go to developer.apple.com. Let me make this a little bit bigger here so you can see it. And right now it's right before Apple's Worldwide Development Conference, so that's what they're talking about right now with a little bit of Swift code as they're on their web page. But depending on what's going on their website, it's always here on the home screen where you say download Xcode, and who knows what the latest version is going to be, but it's at least going to be 7.3. So this is where you download, click and download the latest version of Xcode. You have to have a Mac to run it. So that's what you use to write Swift code, and then target it for Macs, iOS devices, Apple TV as well. So it's all free. The development, unlike other development environments like Microsoft, is Apple's is all free. So go ahead and download it. Will take a while to download. Also then, go to developer.ibm.com, which will take you here. So again, Apple's is developer.apple.com. Go to developer.ibm.com. And then again, their website changes all the time. I'm really becoming very impressed again with IBM and what they're doing right now. They got a lot of good things going on that's very interesting. But one that they're doing is they were the first to sort of take Apple's open source Swift code and put it on in the cloud. So you can run it on in a browser, and you can write Swift code. So if you click on this Try Now here, it's going to bring up the interactive development environment, web browser, where you can write Swift code. And we're going to do it looks very much like Playgrounds. Theirs is called Sandbox. And we're going to be able to write code on this side and see the results on this side. So go ahead and do that. Download Xcode. Get to IBM Sandbox. And in class number 2, we're going to go through and write little applications on both sides, and so we can see how the IDE works, and we can start getting used to the Swift code and Swift syntax. Thanks everybody, and if you'd like to join my course, just go to xlme.com, click on free videos, and you can go ahead and see my courses here that are the recorded chapters from my book, as well as the YouTube channel. If you subscribe to it, every time I upload a video, you get a new one. You get notified. And then also if you want to attend live and ask questions during the session on anything related to Swift or iOS development, I always take questions at the end, and you can ask questions. So, and it's all free. And then, of course, if you'd like to go to my paid classes, which are much more in-depth, that go along with my books, or you can go right there to the courses there. All right, everyone, have a great day. And those are attending live, I'll take questions at the end. Thanks, everybody.